You ready for another video? Video 5, I think. Is it video 5? I haven't got a clue. It's been so long since I've been down here. Work's mental, life's mental. Video 5 basically means it's montage week. We're here at montage week. The only thing I'm going to show you in detail is how I put my adjustability piece on the back. And I've got a bit of brass for that. I've got a bit of brass, I've got some screws, we've got some stuff. We'll make that up as we go along. I've had some comments sharing their concern as to whether this is going to work, the validity of my ideas. And I agree, it could possibly be shit.
May the force be with you.
But let's find out. Let me go through the grief, so you don't have to. I'm going to get that on, and then we're going to montage. We're going to go through, we're going to have some music on. I'm not going to spend a lot of detail on the electrics, because if you want to learn electrics, you don't want to be learning them from me. Definitely not. There's way better people out there for electrics. But anyway, let's just get it done. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you've been nice to everyone all week, and I hope you're going to be nice to everyone next week. I've started to rub the wood, and we all know what happens when I start rubbing the wood. Cue music!
If this is how it ends, still I wanna be. You can take my head, it's no use to me. Ask if I'm fine, I like to pretend. Reads in my mind, it's not safe for him. Son, don't cry, I know it's alright when it's night. We'll get by, there's no need to cry when it's night. Voices in my head are telling me to quit. I guess I've made an intermittent habit of it, of making a fit when all I really want to do is quit. Throwing the towel, so give me a second to bow down. You win, I'm out, take those words away from your mouth. Why? I tried, I guess I've got to live a normal life. Settle down, get a job, find a wife and 2 kids, that's it. Son, don't cry, I know it's alright when it's night. We'll get by, there's no need to cry when it's night. Night, night, night. I found my life, still I wanna be. Lost in my mind, don't like being me. Yeah. Ask if I'm fine, I like to pretend. Scared of what he'll find, I won't let him in. Won't let him in. Son, don't cry, I know it's alright when it's night. We'll get by, there's no need to cry when it's night. Son, don't cry, I know it's alright when it's night. We'll get by, there's no need to cry when it's night. Son, don't cry, I know it's alright when it's night.
Back in the room. I had some visitors then. This is ages. I started this ages ago. Get your head together. Here we go. Here's my bridge. We've all seen the bridge. We all wonder if the bridge is going to work. It might not work, but let's give it a go. Cleverly, using that, I've marked where my guitar body is. I'm going to use a little cheeky bit of brass. I'm going to house it in there. I'm going to stick it in with a bit of epoxy. And then I'm going to drill an hole in it, and I'm going to put a machine screw in the back of the body. Voila, it all comes together. Yeah. So let's get that done first. I'm just going to tar up this bit of brass and make it look a bit prettier. On the sander. Forwards. If anyone ever walked in here and just saw me waffling crap on my own to a camera, I'm talking to at least 7 people. That makes it okay, doesn't it?
Really weird.
Don de la Dremel. Dremel's getting the second use. Take that dollop off. So now I'm going to use little Dremel, cut a channel, which I think is about the same size as that brass. Do you know what I measured that with then? My eyes. Measured it with my eyes. All you perfectionists are going to be going mental in the comment section. I can't believe it, Dave. He measured it with his eyes. Measured it with my eyes. Have it. Need to just clamp a little bit of wood on there because we're hard. Thought I might clamp this down to a significant piece of wood and squish it all in. Nice and secure. Marvellous. Get some ears in. Get this chopped out.
Takes a couple pills to calm you down. Have people ever said you'd outgrow this town? I wish it wasn't different, but ever since I left you alone, it hurts too much. It shouldn't matter if I'm alone, as long as you've got walls made of stone. 'Cause I don't care about me claiming the same name, not wanting the same fame. I don't wanna be free. Call me a liar if my house sets on fire. Take all of your blame, hang me upside down, as long as you're safe and sound. 'Cause I don't care about me, my soul. If I don't call, I'll cut your name in my skin if I'll never see you again. Curse my bones if I don't show. I don't deserve this.
So there you have it. You can see how that is fixed on. Beautiful. Crude, but functional. Just like my Tinder profile.
I'm kind of a big deal.
That keeps that nice and locked on. We've got a bit of adjustment. That's going to work quite nicely. Come along to the next video. Thanks for coming this far. This has been quite interesting. Fingers crossed it's going to play out. It might not. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Next video, we're going to pop a nut on, we're going to get our electrics in, we're going to string it up. That is excitement. Top level excitement. Next video is the last one. I'm still working on samples and playing and being able to record the guitars that I'm building so that you can have a decent listen. Although it's a crock of shit really, because you can make anything sound amazing with a decent amp. But people do want to hear them. So thanks. Come back and watch the next one. One more little set of montages. And we'll also go through what we might have done differently, because there's already a few things I would have done a bit differently on this guitar. It's been a lot of fun actually, a lot of fun. Been nice to use some real nice woods and all the rest of it. So we'll go through all that on the next video. We've got lots to talk about and future plans. So I'll see you then. Remember, be nice to everyone.
Attention or your intentions. Blame me if I just wanna celebrate feeling.
Everyone, fucking gimp.